Learn sentence patterns. As we promised, now we are entering to the Learn How to Speak video series, and we are going to teach different types of sentence patterns. And the today lesson is how to use in a hurry to. This special phrase can be used both present tense and past tense. So in this second video, we focus on the past tense, as we did one video on the present tense. As be verb past tense plus in a hurry to do something. Example, was verb past tense form from the be verb plus in a hurry to do something. Different types of be verbs in the past tense. For beginners, we are reminding this every day. Be verbs are was verb. Here how to use with the personal pronouns. I was in a hurry to plus phrase. He was in a hurry to plus phrase. She was in a hurry to plus phrase. You were in a hurry to plus phrase. We were in a hurry to plus phrase. They were in a hurry to plus phrase. My friend singular was in a hurry to plus phrase. My friends plural were in a hurry to plus phrase. Here are the phrases you are in a hurry to learn. For your easy understanding, we put them together. In a hurry to watch television. In a hurry to read a book. In a hurry to give a speech. In a hurry to have my breakfast. In a hurry to call to my friend. In a hurry to ask a question from teacher. And you can use many examples, but the phrase we are using in a hurry to. Example, I am in a hurry to teach and you are in a hurry to learn. Like this you can use. Basic sentence patterns: in a hurry to do something. That means you are ready to do something. The formation: personal pronouns plus be verb plus the phrase in a hurry to plus verb plus object. One example here how to form this sentence. I was in a hurry to watch television. This is only how to form as one example. We are going to show you more examples. Basic sentence patterns, how to form. Personal pronouns plus be verb, in a hurry to plus verb plus object. Three examples with three personal pronouns, such as I was in a hurry to watch television. He was in a hurry to watch television. You were in a hurry to watch television. The four forms of the sentence. Every sentence we can make 4, some sentence we can make 5, which we will discuss in later videos. I was in a hurry to watch television, positive form. I was not in a hurry to watch television, negative form. Were you or was I in a hurry to watch television, interrogative form. Yes, I was or no, I was not, short answers. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the 3 main sentences, such as positive, negative and interrogative. The reason is that the answer is different from question to question and from the person to person. Positive statements with in a hurry to watch television. Example, state 1. I was in a hurry to watch television. You were in a hurry to watch television. He was in a hurry to watch television. She was in a hurry to watch television. We were in a hurry to watch television. They were in a hurry to watch television. My friend was in a hurry to watch television. Singular form, my friend was. My friends were in a hurry to watch television. The last sentence is plural. We are reading each and every sentence. Keep some time for you to think and read. I hope this time is enough for you to read. Negative statements with in a hurry to watch television. Examples: I was not in a hurry to watch television. You were not in a hurry to watch television. He was not in a hurry to watch television. She was not in a hurry to watch television. We were not in a hurry to watch television. They were not in a hurry to watch television. My friend was not in a hurry to watch television. Singular form. My friends were not in a hurry to watch television. The singular, we use one example apart from the personal pronoun as my friend for student to understand how to use with the singular and plural when you are changing from personal pronouns to the other person. My friend was singular. My friends were is plural. Interrogative statements with in a hurry to watch television. Examples: was I in a hurry to watch television? As you know, we normally don't ask questions from ourselves, so you can use were you in a hurry to watch television? Was he in a hurry to watch television? Was she in a hurry to watch television? Were we in a hurry to watch television? Were they in a hurry to watch television? Was your friend in a hurry to watch television? Singular form. Were your friends in a hurry to watch television? Plural form. Try to repeat each and every sentence after I read, so it is easy for you to understand and remember all the sentence. Positive statements with in a hurry to read the book. Example, stage 2. In this lesson, we use 3 different sentences for you to understand very clear. This is the second stage. I was in a hurry to read the book. You were in a hurry to read the book. He was in a hurry to read a book. She was in a hurry to read the book. We were in a hurry to read the book. They were in a hurry to read the book. My friend was in a hurry to read the book. Singular form. My friends were in a hurry to read a book. My friend is singular, so we use was. The same like he, she, we use was. My friends were, plural. My friends were in a hurry to read the book. Negative statements with in a hurry to read the book. Example, stage 2. I was not in a hurry to read the book. You were not in a hurry to read the book. He was not in a hurry to read the book. She was not in a hurry to read the book. We were not in a hurry to read the book. They were not in a hurry to read the book. My friend was not in a hurry to read the book. My friends were not in a hurry to read the book. We keep some time for you to read and remember. I hope this time is enough for you. Interrogative statements with in a hurry to read the book. Examples: was I in a hurry to read the book? Were you in a hurry to read the book? Was he in a hurry to read the book? Was she in a hurry to read the book? Were we in a hurry to read the book? Were they in a hurry to read the book? Was your friend in a hurry to read the book? Singular form, was. Were your friends, plural, were your friends in a hurry to read the book? Positive statements with in a hurry to give a speech. Example stage 3. I was in a hurry to give a speech. You were in a hurry to give a speech. He was in a hurry to give a speech. She was in a hurry to give a speech. We were in a hurry to give a speech. They were in a hurry to give a speech. My friend was in a hurry to give a speech, singular form. My friends were in a hurry to give a speech, plural form. The last sentence from each slide we use plural form. My friends were in a hurry to give a speech. Negative statements with in a hurry to give a speech. Examples: I was not in a hurry to give a speech. You were not in a hurry to give a speech. He was not in a hurry to give a speech. She was not in a hurry to give a speech. We were not in a hurry to give a speech. They were not in a hurry to give a speech. My friend was not in a hurry to give a speech, singular form. My friends were not in a hurry to give a speech, plural form. The last sentence we always use as plural. Interrogative statements with in a hurry to give a speech. Examples: was I in a hurry to give a speech? Were you in a hurry to give a speech? Was he in a hurry to give a speech? Was she in a hurry to give a speech? Were we in a hurry to give a speech? Were they in a hurry to give a speech? Was your friend in a hurry to give a speech, singular form? Was your friend in a hurry to give a speech? Were your friends in a hurry to give a speech, plural form? Were your friends in a hurry to give a speech, plural. Prepared by Shaini Shehara. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. This lesson is sent to us by Shaini Shehara, and she is studying in her final year of high school at Ratnavali Girls College at Gampaha, Sri Lanka. Thank you very much, Shaini, and we are expecting more videos like this. And we know you have been busy for your exam in the last year of high school, and we wish you good luck for all your exams as you do very well all of your exams. Let us finish this lesson by saying thank you very much for the learners. We have a special message to you today and every day, that is, in life whatever you learn, it needs to be learned from the heart with the absolute faith that I can do or I learn this. This is the message you are sending to your subconscious mind to allow you to learn and grow as a positive message. Do not just read or do something for the sake of doing it. So we wish you all the best with our new learning platform, Learn How to Learn, the best place for you to study English. Thank you very much for listening. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you will never miss another video like this. See you soon. Have a great day.